Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get a free upgrade on Emirates Airlines. First, book your flight directly within Emirates. Within 24 hours of booking, check your reservation online to see if you're eligible for an upgrade. Emirates sometimes offers free or discounted upgrades for Skywards members, especially those with silver, gold, or platinum status. Next, go to the Emirates website, enter your last name and booking reference, and retrieve your booking. Follow the on-screen steps to check for available upgrades. If no free upgrade is available, you can choose to pay the fare difference or sign up for Skywards alerts to get notified when upgrades are offered. And remember, checking in early, dressing neatly, and being polite can sometimes improve your chances of getting an upgrade at the airport. And that's it. That's how to get a free upgrade on Emirates Airlines. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.